going to talk about spoon rests.
Spoon rest.
That
Or at
really,
plates.
or at plates,
right?
or pretty much anything you could possibly think of. This gnome, okay, Temp-tations. I'm already getting ahead of myself. This is my pick of the show for a very serious reason. New just a couple of days ago.
Exactly.
And close to 5,000 sets have been picked up. That's more than half of our quantities gone. If you are up sipping your coffee with us right now, you are in the right place, my friends. All right, special edition. Seasonal spoon rests, 4 of them, each with coordinating boxes. So we say bow and go, you don't even have to bow it because the bow is already printed on it. So you just go.
Just go.
You just go. This is the K83998, $9.99 on your Easy Pay. You're looking at about $7.50 a gift. Final quantities though, no reorder.
Yes.
3 choices.
Yeah.
We have it for you in the set of 4 with the gnome.
Here are the gnomes.
Oh my
Look how beautiful.
goodness.
Our gnomes are really one of our newest critters, if you will, to our edition right here. I love the length of this. It's an essential, right? So it's great as a spoon rest, but I wasn't kidding as an app plate. And the way Tara Tesher designed this is that the top of every one becomes a natural handle. So there's the gnome. There's the gnome gift box. Like 4 individual gifts right here.
Right here.
Amazing.
Okay. We also have it in, if you come over here with me, we have it in Be Still My Heart. I'm so
Do you love this?
Well, you know I collect woodland.
I do.
In the white. Now this is the special holiday edition of woodland in the spoon rest with the cardinal, which is near and dear
of course
to the Temp-tation brand
yes.
and so many of us. And on each one, I love that they're not all uniform in the same place.
Isn't that beautiful? And see how that creates a natural handle? So if you want to use it as an app plate, as a spoon rest, as just something to lay whatever it is that you're putting down.
I love it so much. It's so elegant.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Okay, but that's elegance. Let's have some fun. Here we see the gnomes again. Take a look at your Merry Chefs. I know you know these characters. Let me see if I can remember their names.
All right, ready? It's a quiz.
Wimbley,
Correct.
Mr. Bojangles,
Right.
Elf Bertie.
Right.
Don't tell me.
Okay.
Gumdrop.
Yes.
Oh,
She got an A+ gold star.
she can be taught, ladies
she can
and
do
gentlemen.
it. And look at the cute little box.
Look at them.
Everyone is hand painted, absolutely gorgeous. It has depth, it has dimension.
Right.
But what I love about this is when we look at these, it's the fact that this is a stoneware you've been collecting for over 21 years, right? So it still goes into the oven up to 500 degrees. And why do we say that? Because if you want to do something like have it as a small app plate or maybe put, you know, to pass around or put this in the center of your table, it'll keep it nice and warm for you.
Is there confetti in those pancakes?
Is it? Yes, these are little funfetti pancakes right here. Of course, it's great as a spoon rest, and you know there's lots of coordinating Merry Chef items, gnomes, and winter woodland over on .com. But then over here, even like, look at that. Like, you know, that's what we don't want on our fine linens.
Right.
That's why it's essential, because it protects your tables
Right.
from the spillage.
Or from condensation.
Or from for your wine right here.
Or I should have had this when I did that philosophy demonstration and take off all of my jewelry before I dive into that water.
Right here, you just put it right next to your sink. Now it's your spoon rest. And then maybe it
clever.
can hold things like your brush and, you know, your little cleaning supplies. And then just little treats. Sometimes you just need just the right size.
Yeah.
This is just the right size.
Okay, I already have updates. Come back with me.
Oh,
Winter
wow.
Wonderland, most popular. 10 seconds ago, Scotty, producer, told me 200 remaining. 10 seconds later, he said 100
That's
now
it?
remaining. And there's
And we're
no
never making
reorder,
this again.
Which means little Miss Julia is going to miss out on this.
I think it'll fit in your back pocket, two of them anyway.
No. Okay, if you love the Winter Woodland, is that what we're calling it?
Yes,
Oh my
Winter
God.
Woodland.
Winter Woodland. It's so beautiful. Now there's 6 dozen remaining.
That's it.
Coordinating boxes. Mwah, I'm kissing them goodbye
Yes,
because
exactly.
they're not coming home with me. Here are your gnomes. I haven't seen gnomes before.
Yeah, aren't they adorable? So gnomes
From
are,
Temp-tations.
they're new to our collections, and they're that whimsical, fun pattern when
Yeah.
you just want something a little eclectic for the holidays. And if you still love the tradition of the red and the green colors, it's right there. But what I love about the gnomes and the Merry Chefs is I think they can last all winter as well.
Oh, yeah. Okay, gnomes only 600 now remaining.
That's it.
And then we have your Merry Chefs.
Look at their hats, Julia.
Look
Their
at the
little chef
colors.
hats. So sweet.
They're so cute, and I love that the boxes coordinate with them. 2,000 remain.
That's it.
Over 5,000 ordered now. $30, under $30, two pennies shy of $30.
Yeah, so that's what, like
I did the math
$7 a
somewhere.
gift?
I wrote it
Something
down.
like that?
I took to my
Math
calculator.
is not my thing. Did you already do it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I always do my math 3 times on a calculator. $7.50 a gift.
$7.50 a gift.
Yeah.
And the thing is, this is a meaningful gift. If you want to tuck in a gift card, maybe add some balsamic and olive oil with
Nice.
it. Like 4 individual gifts. But again, these are things that we all need in our homes because there's drips and there's spills everywhere. But I have to tell you something. One of my favorite ways to use this is as a serving plate.
That's gorgeous.
Easy to hold in the hand, goes in the dishwasher, goes in the oven, put it in the microwave, and then when you're eating, it's like the surprise inside. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Well, I have an update.
Oh, again?
Winter Wonderland sold out.
Okay. We're never making this again. This
Great.
is why
Way
it's
to rub
special
it in.
edition.
Way to rub it in for me
Sorry,
because I
Joy.
really wanted that
We
one.
are never making this again. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Gnome is going to be next to go.
No.
500 now remain. And then we have the Mary Chefs, but only a few more than that in the Mary Chefs. Not coming back.
That's right.
This is the time to grab it.
You're so smart to get it
Like,
now,
get
right?
it now.
Yes,
This is
right?
Christmas in July. It's our big grand finale weekend of a huge month that we've had.
Yes.
Look at this. If you're hosting any kind of buffet,
Yes.
you know, our today's special value has been so popular.
Yes.
It can serve up to 12 people.
Yes.
Think about the carving knife. Think about your sides and where you're going to put the spoons on your table.
Your
Like,
teas,
this is a
your
must-have.
coffees. Oh, I do love it for the today's special value. I think that's brilliant. Layer them down your table, put flameless candles on them because we have a big deal today that are fiber optic.
I saw.
Gorgeous, right?
Oh my goodness, I saw.
Absolutely gorgeous. But even when we look right here on the gnomes, right here, 4 different ways to use it, right? So the fact that over here, yes, why did we create it for a spoon rest? But then it's great to layer your little chocolate confections, your little holiday treats. Over here, add this. Now watch what I can do to my chili.
That chili smells good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? So now these are
Never
like
too early for chili, by the way.
ever.
Never.
Add it in, and then of course a ladle. So it's big enough to hold your big utensils, but it's small enough to hold in your hand if you want to use it as an app plate.
These are the final quantities, and when I say final quantities, like really final quantities. We already sold out of one choice. We might that tear from my cheek. That's all right. That's all right. We have 2 choices remaining. We have it for you, and I'll take you over here.
Sure.
In your gnome. 500 now remain in the gnome, and then we have your Mary Chefs, which is the most popular now. 1,800 remaining here. Cookies for Santa.
Cookies for Santa.
Right?
Wrap it in cello.
Oh.
You could do like your little truffles, your cookies.
Oh.
Wouldn't that be great?
You're so smart. I never think about these things. That's why I keep you around, Lisa. All right, so this is 6,000 now have been ordered. K83998999 on an easy pay, $750 for a gift with the box. The bow's already there, so you just go. There it is. What'd you say, Scotty? Oh, holiday returns. I forgot about holiday returns we're doing right now for Christmas in July. You have all the way through the end of January 2024 if you want to return.